I was sent this twin size metal bed frame for the purpose of this review. So let's go ahead and take this thing out of the box and check it out. All right, this is the bed frame out of the box. The very first thing I do on anything that needs to be assembled is to make sure that I have all the parts. And I went over the top of it to make sure that all the pieces are here, and they are. It also comes with a screwdriver that helps you put all this together. Basically, that's the tools you're gonna need to set this whole thing up. All right, so we put this twin frame together in the hallway so that way you could get a good look at it before we take it any further and start putting stuff on it. So there's a couple things on this frame to note. One of them is it was very easy to put together. So if you're not a person that likes to put things together, or if you struggle putting things together, just know, very simple. My wife put this together and she does not like putting things together. She said this was really easy if you just follow the instructions, and it did not frustrate her at all. So that's great. It has the ability to handle a twin size bed and a twin XL just by adjusting the end down here. It's got brackets on the end that let you put a footboard and a headboard, or either or, by just taking the brackets off if you don't need them and putting them on if you do need them. It's got 6 legs on it, not just 4, not just one on each corner. It's actually got 1 on each corner, and if you notice here, it's got 2 in the middle, which is really nice to have that extra support in the middle of the bed. You will need a box spring or a bunkie board, some kind of board on the bottom of this, because you can't just lay a mattress on this frame. There is that open area right there in the middle that would sag a little bit if you just put a regular mattress. It is open underneath other than where the legs are. So if you had those little rolling storage compartments that go underneath, you'd also have storage space there available. But yeah, this is a great frame. Looks like it's going to be very sturdy. I hope this review was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you would do that, that really helps us out, and it's absolutely free. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.